Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the third question in this exercise. Without expanding, find the values of. There are two determinants that are given to us. Let's take up the first one. Here I'm going to write the column transformation. C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So let's see A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. That's what I want as a first column. The second column is B minus C. The third column I'm retaining it as such. Similarly, X minus Y plus Y minus Z plus Z minus X. You have your Y minus Z here and your Z minus X untouched. Similarly, for the last column, so P minus Q plus Q minus R plus R minus P. In this case, Q minus R is retained and R minus P. Now, if you evaluate each of these values, A and minus A gone, C and minus C, B and C is gone. So, this becomes 0, B minus C, C minus A. Similarly, here X and minus X, minus Z and plus Z, minus Y and plus Y. So another 0, Y minus Z, X, Z minus X. Here P and minus P, minus Q and plus Q, minus R and plus R. So 0, Q minus R, R minus P. So you know that one column is completely become 0. So the value of this particular determinant is 0. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Before I do the applications, I'm going to expand this third column. So let's rewrite this determinant as 1 BC, AB plus AC, 1 CA, then BC plus AB, then 1 AB. This is going to be AC plus BC. Now that we have a clear view of this, it is easier to write the columns change. So here I'm going to write C2 is equal to C2 plus C3. So let's retain the first column as such. The second column becomes AB plus AC plus BC. Again AB plus AC plus BC. Once more AB plus AC plus BC. The last column remains the same. So I'm just copying the last column exactly as what it was before because we have not made any transformations out there. Now what I can see, in particular column, all the elements are same. So I can simply take this out of the determinant. So the determinant will get reduced to AB plus BC plus AC into the new determinant 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again, the last column I'm going to retain as such AB plus BC, BC plus AB and AC plus BC. So we see that two columns are matching in this determinant. So once more, if you can make a column transformation, this time we are going to say column 2 or column 1 is a subtraction of the other. So let's make the transformation. So C1 is equal to C1 minus C2. So this determinant becomes AB plus BC plus AC into 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, AB plus BC, BC plus AB and AC plus BC. So now one column has become 0. So the entire determinant's value is actually 0. So 0 into anything is still 0. So this determinant's value is also equal to 0. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fourth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.